I love it. Here, just like that. So today,
all the dirt just went in my face from my gloves.
So today we have rented a sander. There you go, baby.
Ah, now you can see me.
Today we rented a sander and we're going to tackle the floor. So this is the 8-inch Easy 8 floor sander we got. We got 3 sets of drums or discs to put on there. Rough, medium, and fine. This is the first time I've ever ran a floor sander and done wooden floors.
So ladylike.
So I'm kind of excited. Hopefully we can't do any damage to them because there are spots that are bad and it'll just look like it was supposed to look that way. But we got the time lapse going and Janie's going to hold this one and do commentary.
Am I?
And I'm going to do the work.
Yeah.
You know, like normal.
Whatever. I just blew all these floors off.
Wow, that came out good. you just blew all the floors.
Am I supposed to turn this?
Turn it on. Fire hazard, moving parts, no instructions. So it works good when it's on the board.
Yeah.
But board to board, there's obviously a lip there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have to work it.
Would it work going this way
We're
instead?
going with the grain.
Okay.
I was just testing here to see how.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna start right here.
Like a washer for a little We stopped right about there. So from here over is done. And we're just getting a shot of the difference. Look at this grain. It's beautiful. It's gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be pretty. Most of it, if it's not, it's because it's oil soaked.
supposed to be a selfie stick for a reason? We go like that. And like that. Yeah. We just ran 3 very aggressive drum sanders over it. That's not right. We just ran 3 very aggressive sanding pads over the entire lower section of the semi, and pretty happy with how it turned out.
My nose is running.
We aren't looking for perfection. We actually like the scratches and the dents, and we think maybe weld marks that they put in here. So I just want to get it to where we don't stub our toe. I just want to get it to where we don't stub our toe, you know, or catch a sliver or something, and just make it look good. That's what we're going for, looking good. So today I'm going to use the medium and the fine grit sandpaper. I don't know what grit numbers they are. And go over it with those. I got two a piece of that. Cold out. Fantastic. Look at you.
I look terrible.
You don't look terrible.
Bags in my eyes.
Hey, welcome to another, what do you call it? Episode on the semi-tiny home. Today we are going to polyurethane the floors.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
It's a satin. We don't want a gloss because we feel like gloss is just too, and we've already got a lot of gloss.
Choose a technical term.
Yeah. And so it's a lot of our cabinets and things are really shiny, and so I think that by having a high gloss floor would make it look just ugh.
That's another technical term.
Yeah, that's how I do my medical stuff too. You're really jacked up. That's what I tell people.
So it is cold.
It's chilly.
Yep. In the last episode, you saw sanding, and then I'll post a little video right here of why we haven't been working on it, because we got a bunch of snow.
Yeah, it was a blizzard.
And now the snow is gone, but it's still chilly. Not sure how the poly is going to work, but we'll give it a shot.
We're gonna heat her up.
I bought Janie a brand new tool just for her.
Yeah, it's a sander.
A sander.
Anniversary present.
Yep, because up there, up in the bedroom, we haven't sanded yet. When we had the sander, we wanted to get this done and ran out of discs and whatnot, so we're gonna hand sand the bedroom.
Yay me.
Yay you. Oh, that's a beast.
Alright, so we have sanded just little pieces of the floor to see if we like this polyurethane that we're going to put on there. So Brad's just in this little spot right here, so he's going to just kind of smear some on there. We've decided to leave these floors to see how we like them, see how they come out if we just polyurethane them versus doing anything else with them. I think it's going to look really pretty. I want the floors to be a little bit lighter because the roof is going to be kind of on the darker side. So we're making the floors a little bit on the lighter side so that it looks more spacious. So the polyurethane will hopefully cover in some of those little holes. Now we got 1 gallon of the polyurethane, and it says that it would actually cover 500 square feet. So we'll see what really happens. I don't know. Maybe it will. Everything old is new again.
It covers the holes really nice.
Does it? It looks like it does.
Before and after.
It's still wet.
Yep.
So we'll see how it looks.
So we finally got a pretty day.
Woohoo!
Where'd you go? There you
All
are.
right, here.
So we're going to spend a little time in the trailer.
Heck yeah.
See what we can get done.
The edges
Yeah.
for how far?
So there is our test spot from last time.
It's so pretty.
How does it feel?
It's needs to be sweat. It feels a little hard. Right here is really rough.
It's rough.
Oh my.
Floor's creaking.
Wait.
So I'll play with this and see if I can get that smooth.
Okay, what should I do?
You get your sander.
My little hand sander here?
Nope, that's my sander.
What?
Yours is
I get the belt sander.
you get the big monster one.
I get the monster sander.
We have floor lighting. Some people have skylights. We have floor lights. You're probably gonna want some ear muffins.
Your muffins?
Ear muffins.
We have our visuals muffin tops over ears. Hello.
So we have the floor sanded as best as we're gonna sand it. And we have it vacuumed. And we're about ready to pour down some polyurethane and see what it looks like. You ready to go?
Woohoo!
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Keep those puppies rolling right.
It actually shows up better on the camera than it looks in real life.
Is it?
Yeah.
Awfully pretty.
Wow, it is.
It's gonna be phenomenal. Okay.
1 gallon.
1 gallon.
1 gallon.
Probably 4 more to go.
Probably. That's
At
just.
least.
That's about half of this floor.
Yeah.
So.
Well, and this is an old floor, so it's gonna soak it up.
And there's holes we gotta fill and everything.
Yeah,
So.
But it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. I'm excited.
It's just like you, baby.
Yeah,
It's
whatever.
absolutely beautiful.
People of Walmart.
All right, let's go shopping and buy some more stuff and get this done tonight. Yeah, just leave it.
Oh, it was really thick. It was actually puddling.
Cool. I want it to puddle.
Puddle, puddle.
Puddle, puddle, puddle. All right, see you in a bit.
It's cold. Brr.
Snow.
Snow. So we have done the floors. That's what we've done so far. And they actually look really fantastic. We're really happy with them. These are the floors that actually came in the soon-to-be tiny house. And we're hoping now to start tearing off the walls because we want to be able to put in the electrical and the plumbing and the blah, blah, blahs.
The blah blahs.
The blah, blah, blahs. Which we're getting ready to do right now. Time lapse.
I think time lapse is going to be just a picture showing.
The before, the after. So we're gonna take all this stuff down and get with you when we're done. This is interesting because this is how we have to take out all of these little screw nubbies thingies. One at a time.
A few moments later.
We just completed taking off all the plywood off the walls, which my shoulders are killing me. But it looks like a box. So now we gotta figure out which plywood we're gonna keep, and we're gonna put it on the ceiling. I don't know, what else?
So the next step is to foam down below here. Okay, let me do this. I'll talk, you point.
Okay.
So the next step is to foam all the cracks between the wall and the floor right in here. And then we're going to put studs, flat, 2x4 studs flat on all of these studs. And then we're going to, I think we're going to spray in.
This is boring looking at this.
We're going to spray in, what do they call it? Blown in insulation.
Woohoo!
Pretty good day's work. That went pretty quick. It only took like 3 seconds on the video. So if you like this video, feel free to put a like on it. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that. If you'd like, follow us, share it, and we'll see you next time.